I will go with you there. I will go with you there.
I will call you this evening. I will call you this evening.
Are you single or married? Are you single or married? Are you still at work? Are you still at work?
You can stay here. You can stay here.
Why did you say that? Why did you say that?
I have a lot of work today. I have a lot of work today. Are you working here alone? Are you working here alone? Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me?
I told you that before? I told you that before.
I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time. I want to talk with you now. I want to talk with you now. Don't forget to call me tonight. Don't forget to call me tonight. I like being with you. I like being with you.
Have we met before? Have we met before? I want to stay with you. I want to stay with you.
I want to see you tonight. I want to see you tonight.
Wait here until I come back. Wait here until I come back.
Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? I want to know more. I want to know more.
I really like your personality. I really like your personality. I forgot to tell you that. I forgot to tell you that. I forgot my phone at home. I forgot my phone at home. I didn't expect that from you. I didn't expect that from you. I think you understand me well. I think you understand me well. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? You look very tired today. You look very tired today.
I really enjoy talking with you. I really enjoy talking with you.
I hope to see you again soon. I hope to see you again soon.
I need some time to think. I need some time to think.
Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this?
I can't believe you said that. I can't believe you said that. I feel much better now. I feel much better now. You seem different today. You seem different today. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help. I can't believe you said that. I can't believe you said that. I feel much better now. I feel much better now. You seem different today. You seem different today. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I need your advice. I need your advice.
Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? I am not sure about that. I am not sure about that. Give me some advice. Give me some advice. Do you really like me? Do you really like me? Do you want my advice? Do you want my advice?
Nobody is here today. Nobody is here today. Why are you here? Why are you here?
Come here, please. Come here, please.
Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? I have to leave now. I have to leave now.
I like working with you. I like working with you.
Please wait for me outside. Please wait for me outside.
I want to change my life. I want to change my life. You changed my life. You changed my life.